Well, I'm here because they wanted me to talk to them about Dr. Fred, and I just want to mention that he's done a lot for me. I've had the laser surgery on my prostate. At the time, I've got where I wasn't emptying my bladder, and which can be dangerous. And with most men, when they start with over 40, they start developing problems with the prostate. And it affects me, of course, not just with, peeing or whatever. It's either you get where you can't hardly pee, and also with your sexual functions too, And he deals with both of them, Dr. Fred does. And he checked me and told me what I need to do, and I went and had the laser surgery, and there, you'd think that'd be painful, but I never had no pain from it at all. You'd go to the bathroom, I'd go to the bathroom and I'd stand, and maybe 3 or 4 other people come in and pee, and you can't, you're standing there still peeing, Now it's like one of these red fire hydrants, it's out and gone, And another thing is when I come out of surgery, Dr. Fred talked to her about me and told her that, he told her that I would be like I was 18 again, and we joke about that all the time. We do. But when I start having sex, I guess because now that my prostate is more open, and really I'm not just joking. I mean it makes that much difference, in your life, Well, I told his nurse the other day, I was talking to her, and I said, every time I see him, I want to hug him, but I don't know whether he'd want me to or not. But I just think that much of him, he's made that much difference. He can make that much difference in your life.